Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Glow Hacks. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: aloe vera gel for hair growth and overall hair health. Aloe vera is not just a plant for sunburns, it has incredible benefits for your hair too. In this video, I'll share with you everything you need to know about using aloe vera gel to promote hair growth and maintain healthy, luscious hair. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this. Let's get started. First up, aloe vera gel can help reduce flakiness in your hair. Simply apply it to your scalp and let it work its magic for 5 minutes before washing. Secondly, aloe vera is a fantastic natural conditioner. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing for silky soft strands. Next on the list is dandruff reduction. Massage the gel into your scalp with a little bit of oil, and let it sit for 10 minutes before washing. Say goodbye to dandruff. Aloe vera also doubles as a detangler. Squeeze out the gel onto your hair and run a comb through for easy styling. If you're dealing with an itchy scalp, aloe vera can come to your rescue. Mix it with oil and massage into your scalp for instant relief. When you're sick of split ends, use a mixture of aloe vera and oil to deep condition your hair. Say goodbye to split ends. Aloe vera can even help soothe a dry and itchy scalp caused by eczema or psoriasis. It's great for regrowth treatment too. Just apply equal parts aloe vera gel and castor oil to bald spots or regrowth areas. Finally, if you have an upcoming keratin treatment, apply aloe vera on clean damp hair before the treatment. Trust me, it works wonders. There you have it, everything you need to know about using aloe vera gel for healthy, strong hair. Whether you're looking to boost hair growth, manage dryness, or simply add shine to your locks, aloe vera gel can be a game changer in your hair care routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on natural hair care and beauty. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.